At TINTWAVE, innovation meets precision. As a leading manufacturer of automotive color change and protective films, our 50,000 square meters facility is shaping the future of vehicle aesthetics. With a team of experts, every design undergoes rigorous R&D testing to ensure ISO 9001 certified excellence. In our advanced dust-free facility, we use state-of-the-art machines to produce automotive films with unmatched precision and quality. Each roll meets the highest standards for performance and durability. Our automated systems ensure consistent results for both aesthetic and protective films, catering to diverse customer needs. Focused on quality, efficiency, and innovation, Environment guarantees superior results in both form and function. Welcome to our expansive warehouse, where efficiency meets capacity. With over 50,000 rolls of automotive films in stock, we're fully equipped for large-scale orders. Designed for optimal organization, our system ensures quick access, reliable storage, and timely delivery. Whether for bulk orders or mixed colors, from our factory to your doorstep, serving 50-plus countries with X or FOG or CIF solutions. Let TINTWAVE be your trusted partner in automotive transformation, where color dreams become road realities.